Hello, dear Karishma. Most welcome to your practice class of Type of Liars Part 2. तो कल की क्लास में हमने कुछ एटिमोलॉजी और रूट वर्ड देखे थे लायर्स के बारे में, जहाँ पे हमने बात करी थी। झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो, अब दोबारा दोबारा झूठ बोलो, जितना बोल सकते हो उतना झूठ बोलो को हम कहते हैं क्रॉनिक लायर। और इस पे हमने बहुत सारे वर्ड देखे, जैसे कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है इसमें से अनाक्रोनिज्म। इसका मतलब होता है क्या होता है, आप बताएंगे जरा।
एनोक्रिज्म।
अनाक्रोनिज्म।
जैसे कोई ओल्ड फैशन है। आपने बोला था कि उसको हम अनाक्रिज्म बोलेंगे।
या इट सिंपली मीन्स आउट ऑफ टाइम। ओके, कैन
हम्म।
यू मेक अ सेंटेंस यूजिंग anachronism?
आउट ऑफ डेट। अनाक्रिज्म ना। नहीं
Okay,
आइडिया
your
नहीं।
friends thinks, dress and act like as a time of Shakespeare. To be, not to be. Juliet, that's the question. So you will say he is an anachronism. That particular thing is anachronism. He is anachronious, etc. Okay. Anachronious is uh, something out of time. Adjective, I think. Okay, well done. So thereafter, we have learned a word that is out of place, that is incongruous. Incongruous. So wearing informal shirts in an interview is incongruous. So we must wear formal attires. Okay. Then we talked of chronological orders, then chronology and chronometry, measurement of the time. Then we talked about synchronization. Synchronization means happening together. Okay. Chron means
हम्म।
time, sync means together. So time together, basically happening together. Okay, when lie become disease, we call it the pathological liars, and thereafter we learn some of the word based on that. Pathology is the study where the expert study the nature, cause, and cure, how to heal it. And nowadays, as the meaning evolved, so its meaning changes to morbid compulsion, forbidden disease, abnormal physical condition, as well as abnormal mental condition. So it is also related to the feelings, where we discussed about the sympathy, empathy, telepathy, antipathy. And I assigned you a homework. Had you completed your home assignment?
क्या दिया था?
Okay.
सिंपैथी और
होमवर्क आपको टाइम पास ऑन कर देते हैं। टुमारो, डे आफ्टर टुमारो, यू विल बी प्रेजेंटिंग द होमवर्क। यू हैव टू फिगर आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिंपैथी एंड एम्पैथी। ओके।
ओके।
ऐसा लगता है कि आपने रिवीजन
हाँ
नहीं
मुझे
किया है, आप पकड़े गए।
नहीं 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 मुझे वो मतलब मैंने मतलब प्रॉपर नहीं देखा वैसे देखा मतलब। तो
ऐसे ही।
सिंपैथी का हाँ सिंपैथी का मतलब ये होता है कि जब हम सिर्फ जैसे आपको दुख हो रहा है तो जैसे मैं मुझे दुख हो रहा है तो बस इतनी तक ही। लेकिन एम्पैथी होता है कि आपके आपको दुख हो रहा है तो क्या पता मैं उस चीज को कम कर सकूं। दैट इज एम्पैथी। समथिंग लाइक दैट।
अच्छा। हाँ, एम्पैथी का मतलब होता है इनसाइड समबडी। ओके। तो वैसे तो सिमिलर ही है दोनों के दोनों, बट
उसकी
एम्पैथी का मतलब होता है
जगह
कि
रख के खुद को ऐसे।
हम्म। तो ये समझ पाना कि दूसरे कैसे कैसा फील कर रहे हैं, दैट इज बेसिकली एम्पैथी। ओके। इसमें असेंशियली आपको
हम्म।
दुख होगा नहीं होगा ये बात नहीं है, लेकिन समझ पाना। हम कहते हैं सेंस कर पाना, आदमी कहते हैं ना ये फीलिंग्स नहीं है इसके अंदर, सिंपली हम कहते हैं। तो अगर तुम्हारे अंदर में तुम्हारी लाइफ में बहुत सारा क्योस चल रहा है, प्रॉब्लम चल रही है,
दादा एक मिनट।
और
एक
एटलीस्ट
मिनट
मैं उसे समझा रहा
बोलो।
हूँ। ओके।
दादा एक मिनट एक मिनट।
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, टेक योर टाइम।
हेलो। हेलो, हेलो।
ओके, आर वी रेडी?
यस सर।
ओके, सो हम बात कर रहे थे कि ठीक है, हमने बात करी थी सिंपैथी, एम्पैथी, टेलीपैथी, एंटीपैथी के बारे में। काफी पॉपुलर चीजें हैं। देन उसके बाद पैथोलॉजिस्ट कौन सा होता है, जो ऑटोप्सी और बायोप्सी करके हमारे या डायग्नोसिस करके हमारे शरीर के ब्लड सेल्स के बारे में स्टडी करता है। ठीक है, दैट्स इट। उसके बाद
हुँ,
हमने इसमें अलग टाइप के प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स यानी रूट यूज होने वाली चीज़ों को स्टडी किया था। और ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ये क्योंकि वर्ड कॉमन
हुँ,
है, इंग्लिश के बहुत सारे वर्ड्स में आ सकते हैं। तो सिनोनिम एंटोनिम एलिमिनेट करने में बहुत मदद करेंगे। जहां हमने एना, ए, एंटी, डिस, इन सभी का मतलब नेगेटिव प्रीफिक्स होता है, इसके बारे में स्टडी किया था। जैसे ए से हमारे पास एटम, और डिस से डिसलाइक, और एंटी से एंटीपैथी हमने डिस्कस किया था। अभी एना का याद नहीं आ रहा। कॉन का मतलब होता है टुगेदर विद। इन एक नेगेटिव प्रीफिक्स है, आई हैव टॉक्ड इट।
एना का एनाक्रोम एनाक्रोम
Anachronous, anachronous, yes, that is wonderful.
एनाक्रोस।
If you are talking about that is out of time, okay, not in a proper time, also negative prefix. Now, a logos, we study about it. That is a study in science. Metron is measurement. Sin or sim means together, aligned with. Eyes is a verb prefix.
वर्ब।
So anywhere you
हुँ,
find IZE, it will make a verb. Pathos is disease, suffering, or feeling. Anti means against. In means in, or in means inside. And tele means distance. Okay, we discussed telescope, television, telephone, telegram, telepathy, and so many words. Thereafter, we had this pronunciation quiz, pronunciation exercise, and thereafter we have to do a lot of exercise. So gear up to the like a monkey brother, and we are going to
हुँ,
do the exercise. Okay.
ओके।
So wishing you all the very best, and we were in the matching. So today you have plenty amount of time, and you have to mix, find the meaning ABCD out of this for the respective chronicity, anachronism, etc. Here you go.
1 मिनट हाँ।
Not only say the option, but also read what is written in the option. With more practice, you will get more to know.
ऑप्शन में है?
Chronicity, yeah, it should be something state of being out
हुँ,
of place. मुझे तो ऑप्शन यही लग
अरे
रहा।
ए समथिंग ऑड स्टेट बीइंग आउट ऑफ प्लेस।
यस, ऑप्शन यही सही इसका है। ऑप्शन ए क्या है बेटा करिश्मा, कैन यू रीड?
या समथिंग और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग आउट ऑफ प्लेस।
ओके, वंडरफुल। द नेक्स्ट वन।
Anachronism was date of time एक मिनट F something or someone out of
No,
time.
it's the meaning of the chronicity should not be out of place. Instead of being out of place, for this we have sophisticated word that is incongruous. Okay, right?
Hmm.
Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So we will figure out the meaning of the chronicity later. Anachronism. Find out the meaning of anachronism.
It's a F something or someone out of time.
Yes. Where is this option? F. Incongruity is the option A. Okay. Something. state of being,
Yeah.
out of place. Then find the meaning of the chronology.
क्रोनोमीटर, अच्छा क्रोनोलॉजी लॉजी
Chronology.
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, क्रोनोलॉजी मेजरमेंट टाइम occurrence occurring causing occur on the same time condition of time please revise act of chronology. I think
We don't have
chronology,
option.
या है ऑप्शन में. Running out of time whose occurrence of time relating the process.
Chronology should be the study of time, right? Okay.
Yeah.
The next one is chronometer. Chronometer.
Chronometer is measurement of time. G.
Wonderful. Okay. What is the meaning of synchronization?
Synchronization is together something educational, something occurrence in the same time. Time, chronology, time, sharing, understanding another thing. ऑप्शन है.
Yeah, there should be an option.
है अच्छा.
Before G,
J.
not
This is
JG.
study of G.
Yeah.
जी तो मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइम है ना, वो तो क्रोनोमीटर है.
Before G,
अच्छा बिफोर जी, आई एम सॉरी. क्रोनो, अच्छा आपने, आप क्या पूछ रहे हो? अच्छा रुको एक मिनट. समथिंग
synchronization.
ऑफ सिंक्रोनाइजेशन, ओके. ऑल ऑफ करंट एक्ट ऑफ occurring or causing incident. डी.
Yes. No.
ओके.
Act of occurring or causing to occur at the same time. That is synchronization. Okay. Pathology.
पैथोलॉजी इज जे. डिजीज, स्टडी ऑफ डिजीज. जे.
JESP. Communication from the distance.
नो.
No. Disease
नो
is study of
जे.
disease.
जी.
Well. Okay. You are absolutely correct. I beg apologize. Sympathy.
Sympathy is a sharing or understanding. H.
H, yes, sharing and understanding of other feeling. What is the meaning of telepathy? You will tell without option.
Okay. Telepathy is understands someone something but बहुत दूर से समझना. A
Yes,
far
okay.
distance.
Who is a pathologist?
Pathologist is एक मिनट. Pathologist. Uh, D.
Pathologist option.
D.
What is option D? Can you read?
Option is one who examines tissue or disorder.
Yes, one who examines tissue to
Diagnose
diagnose disease. Okay, wonderful.
disease.
What is empathize means?
Emphasize means emphasize. एक मिनट. Emphasize करना. B. सॉरी, ये तो सिंक्रोनाइज होगा ना?
Option number, we share another's feelings so strongly as to experience by oneself. What is the meaning of incongruous?
Incongruous. Incongruous means same time or suffering pity. Incongruous. I think it's J.
Not J. Think again.
E. E.
E. Occurring at the same time or rate? No, not at all.
एक मिनट, लास्ट मिनट. आई डोंट नो इधर ऑप्शन में है.
Option number I, out of place. That is what incongruous means. Okay. It is incongruous to wear informal in interview. Okay. We must wear formal attires. Okay, well done. Congratulations, you done well in the matching. And now we have the second round as talking as the monkey brother, Mankesh भाई. और ये है हमारे पास यस नो चैलेंज जिसको आप काफी ज्यादा एंजॉय करते हो, है ना?
यस.
ओके, तो आप ही पढ़ोगे और आप ही यस नो बताओगे, ठीक है? एंड 3 2 1 हियर यू गो.
ठीक है. आर दीज डेट्स इन chronological order? No, it's not.
Well, good. The next one.
Next one is pathology. 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 The study of healthy tissue. No, it's not. Is telepathic communication carried on by telephone? Communication. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Does a sim okay, sympathetic response
Sympathetic.
so and sympathetic responses so an understanding of another's feeling? Sympathy. Yeah. Yes.
Well done. Next one.
It is. Is one antipathetic to things, ideas, or people are finds agreeable? No, it is not. Do apathetic people react strongly? Pathetic. No, they are not. Yes or no?
Yes, you are correct. They are like मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ. Yeah. Does 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 an empathetic response show identification with the feelings of another? No. अच्छा, empathetic. Yes, it is.
Hmm. So yeah, if
Okay.
somebody you are calling someone and he responds according to you accordingly, then you can say I got an empathetic response. Okay, meaning
Yeah.
they are taking care of your feelings, etc. So you can say I got an empathetic response instead of saying long. मैंने जैसा बोला हाँ उन्होंने मेरे यहाँ पे हाँ मिलाई and so on. So you simply can say I got an empathetic response for that.
Okay.
The next one.
Empathetic. Is a swimsuit incongruous attire at a formal ceremony? No. Is an anachronism attitude up to date? Up to date means No, negative up to date. No.
Well, correct.
Are synchronous movement out of time with one another. Yes.
Yes, well done. Okay, you have done exceptionally well in this yes and no round. Figured out all of those absolutely correctly. So big shout out for dear Karishma. And we have
You too.
round three as well. And the round three is recalling the word, and it is difficult one. But I think Karishma, the bold, courageous,
नहीं.
generous Karishma can do this. Okay. Okay, I will tell. मैं इसको बताऊंगा and then you will find the meaning. The word starting with the capital letter this. So in order of time, what is it?
Chronic, chronicle,
Yeah,
chronic,
chronological. Okay, out of
chronicle. Yeah.
place.
Out of place, incongruous.
Wow, wonderful. Out of time. What start with A?
Out of, एक मिनट, out of time. Anachronism.
Wow, well done. Okay, something or state of being out of place.
Incongruous.
Lack of feeling.
Apathy.
Yeah, we can say apathy. Antipathy was the word. Okay.
Antipathy.
Measurement of the
Antipathy.
time. What start with C?
Chronometer. Chronometer.
Chronometry, chronometron, study of disease.
Pathod. Pathology. Pathology.
Well done. Feeling of hostility or dislike. Dislike.
Antipathy. Antipathy.
Well done. To occur or cause to occur at the same time or rate. Word start with
Syn-
S.
synchronism. Synchronism.
Synchronization. Well done. Evoking sorrow
Synchronism.
or pity.
Evoking sorrow or pity. Pathetic.
Yes, well done. Something out of place, out of time. Sorry.
Anachronism. Anachronism.
Something out of time. State of recurring again and again. झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो, बोलते रहो, हमेशा बोलो, जोर जोर से झूठ बोलो.
अच्छा सॉरी, क्रॉनिक. क्रॉनिक.
Wonderful. Extra sensory perception.
टेली टेलीपैथी.
Wow, क्या बात है. Impressed, impressed. One who examines tissues to diagnose disease. One who examine. He's talking about the expert.
ओके दैट इज पैथोलॉजिस्ट.
Pathologist. Well done. Identification with the feeling of another.
अनदर दैट इज एम्फेथेटिक.
Empathy.
एम्फेथेटिक. एम्पैथी.
Happening at the same time or rate.
रेट दैट इज synchronic. Synchronic.
Synchronization. It is asking for the adjective, and
Sorry.
synchronization is adjective. Okay.
Okay.
Synchronous is noun. Do remember the difference. Synchronization is adjective. Synchronous
Synchron.
means the noun. Skillful at thought transference without sensory communication. Word start with T.
टेलीपैथी. टेलीपैथी.
Telepathy or telepathetic. Calendar of event in the time sequence.
क्रॉनिक. क्रॉनिकिज्म. क्रॉनिक.
Chronological. Referring to the measurement of time.
क्रोनोमीटर. metric.
Wow.
Chronometric.
Okay, so well done. You two this time have exceptionally done in the recalling the words, and I am sure you have learned as well as you are able to use these words in your daily life. You have learned all those words. Okay, so that is it in this session. Though we will have a little talk thereafter.